These genuine leather, water-resistant mock toe boots are the Perry boots. The Whites Company has been around since 1853 and believe in making their boots by hand in Spokane, Washington. According to White's website, these boots are built to last, especially for those rough, harsh, tough, and demanding working environments. Beautiful. It smells really good. I love that smell.
Yeah, that's pretty good. It's here. Feel it. It's super thick too.
Oh, it's leather. You see the bottom of it? What kind of outsole is that anyway?
Vibram is what they put it on.
Wow, nice. Ortholite. Oh.
Yeah, I forgot they also put a nice little sole in there, or a little insert in there too. And about to say, you had it
right. Once again, thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, comments, please write them down below and I will answer accordingly. As always, God bless, relax, relate, and release.